The Orion XTR8SWD4 Subwoofer is a versatile and high-performance replacement for factory-installed subwoofers in a variety of vehicles, making it a top choice for car audio enthusiasts. With its dual 4-ohm configuration, this subwoofer provides flexible wiring options and consistent power handling, ensuring reliable performance. The UV-coated paper and fiber blend cone, along with the NBR surround, offers durability and precise sound response, enhancing the listening experience. Its shallow mounting depth of only 2.76 inches makes it perfect for tight spaces, such as trunks or behind seats, without compromising sound quality. Delivering up to 1,200 watts of peak power and 300 watts RMS, this subwoofer ensures controlled and clear low-end performance. The frequency response range from 40 Hz to 300 Hz and an 83 decibel sensitivity make it ideal for producing a rich and dynamic bass sound.